A new perch? What do you think? Oh my goodness, what are you doing? What are you doing, huh? Beep. Beep.
In my head, I don't know what to think. He knelt to the ground and pulled out a ring and said, "Marry me, Juliet. You never have to be alone. I love you, and that's all."
Is my wife from?
Who? I'm the one who picked this wallpaper, that bed, that...
You have no respect for her.
She's dead, Blake. And I'm not. But I'm still here. Do you know how it feels?
Hey Gilbert, you're a burrowing owl. Come here, Kimmy.
I'm taking a shower. I'm taking a shower. Yeah, I am. What are you doing? You're interrupting my shower. I'm trying to clean myself, buddy. Yeah? You want to leave me alone now? Yeah. I love you.
Are you done?
You want to tell them what else you put down the sink? Do you want to tell them what else you put down the sink? Say you put 2 toothbrushes. Not just one. You put 2. Are you sorry? Are you sorry? I can still see you, my guy. I can still see you. It's okay, we fixed it. Mom fixed it. It's no more. Nice. Look at that. No, you're doing so good. Oh. Going at it.
Wow. 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 You guys liked for part 2, so here it is. So after we put the box in, she laid an egg. And then the next day, she laid another one. And then the day after that, she laid another one. At this point, I was freaking out. How am I supposed to look after 3 birds? And then she laid another one. So I took a trip down to the pet store. Laying eggs takes up a lot of calcium. So I just got a couple of calcium-based products for her to eat. And then about 3.5 weeks later, the first egg hatched. Isn't it the ugliest thing you've ever seen? They get uglier, trust me, just wait. And then I come home from work and 2 more eggs have hatched. I had a feeling one of the eggs was empty and I waited a couple of days and the 4th egg didn't hatch. So now we've only got 3 little baby birds. And I'm sorry, like for part 3. I can't believe how many of you guys actually wanted part 3. So here it is. So after they hatch, they grow so quickly, it's insane. I didn't even try to feed them because I was way too scared I was going to do it wrong. But don't worry, Mum and Dad had my back and they did it for me. And then I look in the cage one day and Mum has laid another egg. And after she laid the other egg, I did notice Mum plucking out the little babies. So we've had to separate them, Mum in one cage and Dad in the other cage with the babies. Me and the dad were working as a team and feeding the babies. And this is how they feed them. How cool. Do you guys want to see more? Let me know. So a little birdie, or should I say 5 little birdies, told me you guys wanted part 4. After she laid the first egg, she continued to lay 5 more eggs. This woman just doesn't stop. I kept a close eye on Mum's health because laying eggs can be really dangerous. But don't worry, she's fine. The babies are nearly 5 weeks old and I still haven't named them. Can someone help me name them, please? They're now slowly starting to eat on their own. Guys, this is a proud mum moment for me. Look at them go. I am still hand feeding them just to make sure they're getting enough food for the day. And I'm not going to add too much of me hand feeding them because I know all you Karens out there will have something to say. Let me know if you want more, I guess.